Last week we mentioned about the QQ plot. So based on the QQ plot, it's very easy to plot the curve. For example, here, that's about the prices for the branch one. Similarly, for the vertical axis, that's the prices for the branch two. So how to plot this one? That's easy. You just arrange the items prices in ascending order. Okay. So for example, there are 100 items sold from branch one. That's the 200 items sold in branch two. Okay. So first, for example, for the $40, that's the first item. I mean the lowest price sold from branch one. Okay. How about if the lowest price sold in branch two, that's 45. Okay. Then for the first dot, you just mention from 40 and then here put 45. Okay, so we have the first dot, understand? And for example, here uh, we have the $60 for the branch one. Okay, and then you just compare in the same, the order for the branch two. For example, this 65. Okay, and then from this one, for example, this $80. For example, this the medium for the branch one. However, the medium for branch two, that's 90. Okay. Okay, so then you can plot the 80 and then here that's the 90. Okay. And then to the last item. Okay. So it means based on the QQ plot, you found that it seems that the branch two has the higher selling price than the branch one. If both branches have exactly the same prices for each items, okay, then they locate exactly on the anti-vertical. Okay, understand? Okay, the uh, sorry, on the anti-diagonal. Okay. For example, two major gasoline companies in Taiwan is the Chinese petroleum company CPC, and the other one is from the Taiwan plastic company. We call this the Formosa. Okay, okay. So and for the gasoline, we have only here we don't mention about of course we have the diesel. Okay, but here we don't mention about. We just use three different type of unleaded. Okay, gasoline. Okay, so for example now for the three unleaded gasoline. Okay, what's the for example for the 95 this not the price. This the 95,000. Okay, unleaded gasoline. Okay, so the price is around. I think that's the 30 point. This says 30.1. I think because that's the set that I pumped. That's the 30.3, and I know that they reduced uh, two times from today. Okay, so let's say this the 30.1. Okay, and for the 92, of course, that's a little bit cheaper. So probably let's say this 29.5. Okay, for the 98, let's say that's the 30.7. Okay, that's for the CPC. Okay, so in that case, as you see, because although this is not a monopoly, okay, gasoline company in Taiwan, because there are two companies. Okay, so for the same type of unleaded gasoline, okay, from Formosa, they are exactly the same. That's the 29.5. Okay, Okay, so we can have lowest price is 29.5 from CPC. Similarly, 29.5 from Formosa. Okay, and similarly, 30 30.1 for the 95. Okay, and then the same. So that's the 30.1. Okay. How about for the 98? This I think from Formosa probably 2 times less than. So in that case, we have the 30.7 here. Okay, and we have only what 30.5 here. Okay, 2 times less than the CPCs. Okay, so then we draw a horizontal line. Okay, and then from here, 30.7, we draw a vertical line. So the cross will be here, the intersection. Okay, so it means if you compare these two, okay, then what will happen? They are not exactly the same prices for different uh, what's the chemical's name for that casing? I forgot that one. For the casing, we have the 92. Do you know what's the 92 mean? That's octane or yeah, octane, right? Okay. Okay. So we just use these three, for example. Okay. So you understand that's the way how we plot the QQ plot. Okay.